This next section is going to go over a review of combining like terms. Okay, remember that I always boxed my terms, where inside the box I have the sign or the operation first and then the term. So this is going to tell me what I'm going to do with the 2. So I'm going to add the 2 to anything that I need to combine it with. Okay? This is telling me that the 6 is negative, but I'm also going to subtract it from what other term I'm going to combine it with. Alright, so we got 3x minus 6x, which gives me negative 3x. Okay? So I'm combining those two. Those are out. And then I have 2 plus 5, which gives me a plus 7. So that's my simplified expression. I'm going to go down to this one. Okay, so I always start with your variables first. So we're going to combine variable terms first. So 5 plus 3 gives us 8w. And then 2 minus 7 will give us a negative 5. Okay, and then that's simplified. Okay, here we have more than one variable. We have x and we have y. So let's start in order. X comes before y, so let's start with our x terms. So 2 plus 4 gives us 6x. Okay, now let's go to y terms. Negative 7 minus 3 gives us negative 10y. Okay, those are out. And then we're just left with minus 3. There's nothing to combine it with, so let's just drop it down. Alright, we have to keep all 3 of these separate because they're not like terms. Okay, this has an x, that has a y, and this doesn't have a variable, it's just a constant. We can't combine any of those. So that's simplified. Our last review. Here we have 3 different types of variables. We have x to the third, we have x squared, and we have y squared. So we're going to take the highest variable, or the highest degree, first. So x to the third. Okay, the x comes first, and the exponent of 3 is the highest. So we're going to take x to the third terms first. So 3 minus 4x gives me negative 1x to the third. Then comes x squared. So negative 7 plus 6 gives me negative 1x squared. And then this one, just drop it down. Okay, you can't combine any of these either because these are 2 separate terms. Okay, you can't combine those variables or those exponents on the x's. Okay, the variable is the same, but the exponents are different, so that makes it different. Okay, or you could write your answer like this: negative x to the third minus x squared plus 5y squared.